Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with the database management system. The next topic in this subject is the B plus tree in database management system. So what is this B plus trees? It is a data structure that we know that which is used to implementation of database index. So just like in the data structure, so here in the database, these B plus trees are used to implement database indexes. So that's why we call it, it's one of the multi-level indexing, so which is used for the database indexes. It is a balanced binary search tree. It follows the multi-level index format, so that we already know that, which is following the multi-level index format. In B plus tree, leaf nodes denotes actual data pointer, whatever the leaf nodes consisting of, that leaf nodes is give the actual data pointers. Okay, so it also ensures that all leaf nodes has to remain in the same length, height. All leaf nodes remains at same height. Okay, so the leaf nodes are linked. Here one more concept, when compared to the B trees, in the B plus trees, the leaf nodes are linked using linked list. Therefore, it can support the random access as well as the sequential access. So not only the sequential access, it also supports the random access. So the when compared to the B trees, B plus tree occupy a little more space than B tree, because it also have the information regarding the linked list. One node is connected to the another nodes, so that node is already repeated. So that we see, anyhow we will see in the example. Let's have a look on the characteristics of the B plus trees. Characteristics. Data records are only stored in the leaves. Or only stored in leaves, means the leaf nodes. So whatever the leaf nodes consisting of, that is the actual data pointers. And next, internal node stores just keys. Internal nodes stores just keys. So the key values will be stored the internal nodes. So I'll show you the example here, how the B plus tree structure will be like them. Suppose if I take, this is my root node. Suppose this is the tree. Okay, so this is the root node. So here let me take, this is the key value. Let me take the K is a key, 3 is the key value. So the left hand side of the key value, let me take here a 2 value will be stored. So this X, whatever it is there, this is the X value, that is less than key value. Okay, and here whatever it is there, the right side of the 3, it consists of 3, 4. So which is the X value is greater than or equal to the K. And here it should be 5, 6, 7, something like that. Okay, and here one node, the leaf node is connected to the another leaf node. Okay, so these are the leaf nodes, and this is an internal node. So all leaf nodes are interconnected with each other. Why these are connected to one another? Because for faster access. we are connected all the leaf nodes by using the linked list. So the keys are used for direct search to the proper leaf. So why we are using these key values? The key values are used for the direct search. Rather than searching for each and every element, with the help of the key, we can directly go to that particular internal node, and from that internal node, we can easily find out the leaf node. Okay, so this is exactly the concept of the B plus trees. So now let's see an example on this B plus trees. Then you will understand what exactly it means. Okay, so let me take one example. So I am taking an example, then 2, 4. Let me take the fresh page. Okay, 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21, 28. So constructed in B trees. So let me take my key consisting of only 3 values. Okay, 3 values it can insert. 2, 4, 7. Now I want to insert 10. Where I can insert? So there is no space in my node. So I want to divide this internal node. Okay, I want to divide this internal node. So which number I have to split? The middle number you need to be split. Okay, so now insert 10. So 4 becomes the root node. So the left hand side of the 4 is 2 and right hand side should be less than or equal to the, it's a k value, less than k, x is less than k, and the right side is x is less than or equal to the k. So 4 is also you need to be insert, and here it is 7 is there. So the right hand side of the 7 should be, you have to insert the 7 as well as the 10. It's a linked, connected. One node is connected to the another node. So next I want to insert 17. So I can insert the 17 here. Okay. So now I want to insert 21. Insert 21. So but in the leaf node there is no space here. I can't insert 21 here. Okay. So I want to enter the data values here only. So you can get a doubt, ma'am, here I can place 21 because anyhow the right side is, it's a space in the root node. Okay, but you have to enter the data values only in the leaf node. So here the 21 there is no space. So split this 10 and send it to here. Send it to here. Now it's consisting of 4, 7, 10. So the left hand side is 2, right hand side is 4, and here it is, anyhow it is 7. Okay, and the right hand side is, it has the 10 as well as 17 and insert 21. Okay, so the last element, what is, I want to insert 28. Where I need to insert. So here there is no space in the leaf node. So 28 is greater than the 10 only. So I have to insert here, but there is no space here. So I want to split 17, send the 17 and send to here. But here it is also already filled. So again split 7 and send it as a root node. So my final thing is 7. 7 left hand side is 4, right hand side is 7, sorry, right hand side is, it's remaining here, it is a 10, sorry, 10, 7 is already sent here, so this 4 is divided here, and 10 and 17, the 7 is came here, 17. Okay, so now the 4 left hand side is 2 and right hand side is 4, and here left hand side is 7. Right hand side is 10. 17. Right hand side is 17. Okay. 21 is already there. And next insert 28. All are connected to one another. So now have a look. All the data items like 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21, 28 are in leaf nodes. So whatever the data pointers that we are entered, so that all data pointers are reached the leaf nodes, because in the B plus tree the actual data pointers will be present on the leaf nodes. So this is a concept of the B plus tree. Thank you.